Well, in Health Watch, there are dozens of high blood pressure medications on the market. So how does a doctor decide which one is best for you? Well, a new piece of technology might help out. CBS Atlanta Health Watch reporter April Nelson explains.
35-year-old Eric has long suspected problems with his blood pressure.
And the reason I worried about it was both my parents had a bunch of bypasses between them, but I attribute that mostly to the smoking side. And since I didn't smoke, I didn't really think it was there.
After a checkup for the flu, he realized he needed help.
High cholesterol, high triglycerides, and those aspects, which basically is cardiac disease.
Eric came to see Dr. Howard Snapper, who used a new piece of technology called the BioZ. Through 4 special patches placed on Eric's neck and chest, the BioZ receives electrical signals that tell it what's causing Eric's hypertension.
And we found out that his systemic vascular resistance, or his tension in his arteries, was quite high. We then started him on medications that were specific for lowering that resistance. Because of the BioZ, Eric was able to get the right medication, which put him on the path to better health.
I feel a lot better. I lost 25 pounds. I used to actually live on ibuprofen. I had headaches all the time, and then once I started changing that with the medicine and everything else, it all changed.
Today, Eric got a follow-up exam. Tell me about Eric's test results.
His cardiac output is excellent, so overall it looks really good.
Until now, doctors have taken a trial-and-error approach to diagnosing and treating high blood pressure, heart disease, and heart failure. But thanks to the BioZ, which is covered by health insurance, most of them, patients can save the time, hassle, and money of trying different drugs and checking into the hospital as well.
Yeah, that's great. And plus, sometimes people will say, oh, I was on that drug and I really didn't like it. And
right.
So that kind of reduces the fear factor.
You got it.
That's great. Thanks, April.
You're welcome.